pump station that hooks up to our septic tank. So we're just gonna pull the camper up here and empty it out. That's probably good. I got a long hose. You're good.
Let me pull up where it dips down that side.
Okay, that's fine.
You gotta go back here and look. Right now it's tilted this way.
Yeah, okay. I'm watching, but I'm gonna have the hose. I'm gonna have the hose. You look like you've been asleep.
I need to sleep.
There's no way we're gonna get it to tilt that way. I think that'll be fine.
We'll have to take the jacks and do it.
Oh yeah.
Or I could pull the wheels up on blocks. I'll do that and kick it this way.
Honestly, we're gonna be fine because I've got the hose.
Well, if all the stuff's gonna stay on the back side, you gotta have it tilted this way.
Do you have blocks? Because I don't.
Yeah, you got blocks right here.
All right, well, I'm gonna get this hose. Oh, you mean those things?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
On there. We gotta screw this thing on. And then hook this to this. But once we open this little thingy, it's gonna smell bad. So, I don't know if you wanna go turn the hose on so you don't have to smell this. It's not horrible, but it's not great either. Or if you wanna just hold your nose. Oh, God, help me. Lord, that's so gross looking. Oh, man. Okay. Nope. Why is that not going on there? Joe, this does not want to go on there. I cannot get this on to connect. Oh, because there was a stick. Oh, jeez. Of course. I'm like struggling and there was a stick stuck in there. Okay, I got it. I'm not going to film the poop coming out of there.
I hope not. I was sitting there thinking, by golly, you got 50-some subscribers, they see that shit. You won't have 25.
Why don't you turn my camera off for me since I touched this? Do you mind?
It's all right.
Just push that red button on top. So it is very important that you flush out your tank. You know, just to make sure you get everything out of there. My hose is kind of messed up. The thread on it's bad, but we're not going to look at that. So, uh-oh, the hose is giving out. What in the heck? How did you all get out? Guys? Well, might as well prune my crepe myrtle. No, that's not my crepe myrtle. Charlie, why don't you all go in the garden and clean that up? Huh?
The goats are out.
Yeah. What's dead? Your truck?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That quick?
I don't know. Maybe something went wrong. Maybe it ain't charging.
You helping me? Are you helping me? You helping me winterize? Charlie! Hi! No animals allowed! Oh no! You're not allowed in here. You can't come in here. No. You cannot come in here. You better get down. Oh, what'd you find? No.